ideas. Welcome to our channel. We will share simple and practical garden ideas explained to easy and understanding you with a backyard garden. Whether you are seasoned garden or just starting out, we'll got something for everyone. Join us as we explore. Like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. Creative ways to enhance your outdoor space and collect a beautiful garden or cast. Let's dive in. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to share with you some easy garden ideas that anyone can try. We will break down each ideas using a simple so everyone can follow along and get inspired to transform your outdoor space. Let's start with a container garden. This is perfect for those limited space or beginners. All you need are some pots, soil and your favorite plants. You can grow herbs, flowers or even vegetables right on your porch or balcony. Just remember to water them regularly and give them plenty sunlight. Next up, raised bed garden. These ideas or elevated garden beds filled with soil, making them easier to maintain. You can build them using wood or even repurposed materials like old tires. Raised beds provide excellent drainage and can extend your growing season. Pools, they are perfect for growing a variety of fruits and vegetables. Now let's talk about a vertical garden. This is a great way to maximize space by growing plants upwards installed instead of outdoor. You can choose rice and baskets or even purpose all plants. Create vertical garden. It's a creative solution for small yard or urban environments. Another simple idea to continue planting. This involves planting different species together that benefit each other. For example, planting marigolds alongside tomatoes can help repel pests. Plus, adds visual interest to your garden and promotes biodiversity. Don't forget to like the video, click the subscribe and press the bell icon. This video share to your friends and family members. About adding a layer of mulch or your garden beds helps reprint moisture, weeds and improve the health. And you have a flux 6 easy garden ideas explained in English simple. Whether you are a passive and seasonal garden, we hope these tips inspire you to get out of enjoy the beauty of nature. Don't forget like the video, like, share and subscribe for more helpful garden tips. Thanks for watching and visit my channel. See long videos about all over garden and home decoration.